I am Mona Leonardi, and I'm Michael's mom and the co-founder of the Michael Leonardi Foundation.
Hi, everyone. I'm Julia Leonardi, and I also work with the Michael Leonardi Foundation.
We hope that bringing awareness to fentanyl poisoning in our community, that, we are saving a life. Michael passed away February 24th, 2020, from what he thought he was taking a, real prescription pill, and it actually was a fake pill made with fentanyl. And after we started researching this, we couldn't believe that there was not an alarm going off. There's nothing nationally being talked about this. There's nothing statewide being talked about this. And there are, first-time users, recreational users, those with substance use disorder who are dying because fentanyl is in the drug they were using, and they're being deceived because they didn't know that there was fentanyl in that drug. So it's a matter of life and death for our community to know what's happening.
For the foundation, it means just keeping our community informed and helping save lives through the awareness that we're providing through the foundation. And I think just creating discussion and making sure people know that this is a real issue happening and it's affecting everyone in our community. I think everyone can say that they know someone affected by it. And yeah, I think just really making sure our community is informed about what's happening.
Michael's case, he had two roommates with him. And one roommate said he was sleepy and he fell asleep. And the other one said he was snoring. And those are two signs of an opioid overdose. So everyone really needs to know the signs of an opioid overdose. It can be very quiet. And so if, Narcan's available, it's very helpful in saving lives. I also want to mention in Napa County, you can get Narcan at a local pharmacy. Please call ahead because they all have different policies around it. There's also an organization in LA. It's called End Overdose. You can go to endoverdose.net. And they will give you Narcan for free. You just pay $7.99 shipping, and you just take a short training video and they'll ship that to you.
Narcan should be free to the public. Everyone should be able to have it. I think that it should be not only with police officers. I think it should be in schools. I think it should be in bars. I think it should be, in bathrooms. I think it should, and everyone should be able to have access to it because it's such a crazy innovation. It has the power to reverse an opioid overdose, which is everything. It really has so much power to save a life. And so I think that everyone should be able to have it if they can. In high schools, it's really important. In Napa, there's a lot going on in high schools that I feel like is kind of, not talked about a lot. And I feel like kind of ending the stigmas around, mental health and realizing the reasons why people use, I think that creates a discussion in itself. And I think, having that discussion opens up the floor to have a discussion about fentanyl, which really needs to happen. And so I think it's really important that high schools specifically need to kind of take initiative and start putting these in their curriculum because it's really important. And I think it'll help save lives.
So, for me, talking with, people one-on-one in the community has been, really an inspiration. People are listening and they ask questions and they are really concerned. I mean, this is a matter of life and death. Mm-hmm. And, also our community leaders are listening. Our county district attorney has taken action in Napa courts. And just the partnership with organizations like the Napa Opioid Safety Coalition, Napa County Office of Education, Catalyst Coalition, Aldea, all partners in bringing awareness to this fentanyl public health crisis. Mm-hmm. So that, is people are listening and really paying attention to what's happening in our county. So this is all going to trickle up. I belong to a lot of parent groups, unfortunately. And, we're all working in our communities to talk about this. And so it's all going to come together. And, hopefully just by bringing awareness, we can save a lot of lives.
It's nice to see people actually taking the steps to do from citizens, concerned citizens, starting this. It's nice to see, people that have the power to create change kind of responding. And I think that's been really cool to see. And I just hope that we can keep doing that. So on Instagram and Facebook, we are Michael Leonardi Foundation.
Site is michaelleonardifoundation.org. And Julia mentioned our Instagram and Facebook pages, and we do a lot of posting there. And so one of the ways to share, spread awareness is to share our posts. And you'll also see other organizations on there that you'll be able to share as well. We do have an events page on our website. And so we do list a lot of events, not just what our foundation does, but other events in the community. And so you can go there. So that's kind of the best way if we have anything happening. So we'll either have it there or we'll post it. And if you want to get involved, please contact us directly. We might not have something going on now, but we partner with other organizations that, you can get involved with. But I think everybody can be involved with just talking about illicit fentanyl and just spreading awareness and just talking about it.